All right, hello everybody. Welcome to your weekly preview. Excuse me. This is for the week of March 20th, 2023 to March 24th, 2023. Pardon me again. Some important announcements. Monday, no school, and then Friday, my office hours are 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. So it's quarter two, week 9, moving through quarter 3 here pretty quick. Again, no school on Monday. Tuesday, we will discuss how the war in Europe came to a close with your key terms there: D-Day, Battle of the Bulge, and VE Day with the homework Victory in Europe. Wednesday, we will analyze how World War II officially ended in the Pacific with the key terms there: Hiroshima, Nagasaki, and VJ Day with the lesson Victory in the Pacific. And then Thursday, we will understand the impact of World War II with the project there, World War II Research. And then Friday, we will review the quiz on America and World War II with the quiz of the same name there. So I hope you have a great week. Please reach out with any questions or concerns.